Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you import an asset from Unity Asset Store and apply some shading and lighting in Unity software. In Unity Asset Store, you can import any 3D or 2D environment or model and apply various things which Unity software offers. I'm going to just import some 3D model. So I'm going to go on 3D and particularly vehicles I'm choosing. Now, if you go and you see many per, paid basis assets, I'll simply go for free assets. Now, there are many assets. I already have added one asset on my own to save time, but you can add any asset from here. It will simply show you add it to Unity or open in Unity. So you can open it directly in Unity. I have added it. So as you can see, it is showing you open in Unity. I will open it in Unity. Now you see we have landed in the package manager and here's an option for downloading. I will download from here. As it's downloaded, now it has an import option. You'll import everything it has. So selecting all, I'll import. Now in packages, now if you just increase it, you'll see the arcade free racing, which I have imported, has added here. Now it has various scenes, it has a skybox, texture, or maybe some materials or prefabs. So if you see there's a night scene, day, night, it has many things. I now simply, if I want to go for material, you can see there's material here, meshes, there's some cars. Now in our plane, I'll just simply add some plane, reset it so it's in the middle, and open it. Now I don't have any cameras, so first I'll just put a camera so you have a game screen. Placing the camera, I'll just make the quick adjustments. Now on the plane, I I can simply go in the projects and as you can see there here, arcade, pre-racing, the package I have installed is present. So by clicking on this, you can see there are many things, textures, skyboxing, prefabs, meshes, materials, whatever you want, you can. Quite simple here. So I'll just simply take some already loaded mesh. So I will simply place maybe this red car here and maybe this yellow car here. Now, making some quick adjustments just so that it's placed on the ground with not in the air. By control plus shift, you can adjust the cars. Yes. Now, as you can see, there's a directional light here, which is definitely present and the shadows coming through. By you can also but in this asset there is some scenes present. In this asset there's some scene present. It's a night, day, and many more things. Or skybox, day skybox, night skybox. If you go in night and just drag and drop here. It's in the game screen you can see the night scene has been applied. Or if you go on the day, so you see the day scene has been applied. Now for the light formatter, you can adjust the lights, how the shadows come, how the lights are there. And there are three types of lights from the top, from the middle, or from the bottom. So I'll just go back to simply no sky, night sky. So yeah, the directional light is here, and by adjusting it, you can see the shadows are being adjusted. Now, if I just simply delete the lights, and then by simply right clicking and go on some light, you can see the directional light which I just showed you. Now there is this point light. This point light is simply present at specific point at you can place the point light. As you can see, by moving the point light, the lightning for in the game screen is also moving. If I change the color of this maybe to red, you see it has the whole gameplay has become has this red lightning. Now you won't be able to see much clearly because I have already installed this skybox. So I'll just simply go and back to my normal screen. Yeah. Now I will change the color to red. You see it has a red line certainly. And if I change it to maybe yellow, then it's yellow. That is how you change some lights, and that is how you change, maybe make it big. Then big, you have to just simply shift and select everything and make it static. Yes, I will change it. So now it has become the area light. This is the area light for this. Simply change it to white. Again, what? Sorry, sorry. Directional. Now you see how it changes color when I'm changing the colors, how the light has been changing. It has been baked to the environment. So it's changing its, if I just change the blue a little bit, or maybe position it somewhere here maybe, and change the light, it has been now baked to whole screen. Now it is been changing for whole plate itself. I'm going back to what we were doing earlier. I'll simply delete everything. Now for the shading part, first in the shading, you have to simply import again, like same thing we did for lighting, import any package from asset store. Then I have already imported one polygon package, so I'll use that. And then you can simply go and maybe import some model or maybe anything to show the shading part. I will import some model I am quite familiar with. So I'll go with this small building surface. Yes, I will go with this building planes. I will put some color to it and change its direction. Yes. You see, it is plain. It is smooth. It is plain as it should be. Now, if I go again there from where I have imported it, let me search. Um, yeah. Now, by clicking on this, you see this model page. You can go down on this normal. It would be none by default, but calculate, put it to calculate, and then put smoothing angle. Now you see it is smooth, but if you increase this smoothing level and apply some changes, it has become more smooth. If you see, if I, it is changing texture if I'm putting it. And if I just decrease, it has the texture again. Simply, if I take this, for example, it has some texture on it already. You see? And if I do that again by maybe putting it or smoothing, you see, it has become curved. So I just maybe add some steel to it so that's visible. Yes. If I decrease the smoothness, the curved lines again come. Increasing the smoothness makes it smooth. So, yes, this is how we apply shading. Thank you.